Feather crochet has me in a chokehold, and I'm always looking for new ways to install them with the least amount of effort. So with my newest set of extensions, I decided instead of crocheting the usual way, I would do a no loop method, and it came out so perfect, undetectable and natural looking. I was like, yes. Now first, let's get into the hair. I got some 18-inch tight curly crochet from EayonHair. This is a great texture if you want a realistic wash and go look. So to prepare for the install, I'm taking some oil and applying it all throughout. Then section off some hair going straight across at the very front. This is going to be for my leave out. I'm flat twisting this portion for now to keep it separate. After that, another part going across, and I'm going to cornrow this hair. For the rest of the hair in the back, I'm going to split that down the middle and then make a cornrow on each side. With the ends, I'm simply going to fold them up and pin them down so everything is nice and flat. I was feeling lazy, I didn't want to do too much, and that's pretty much all I did to get an easy, quick base. And now I'm just going to start installing the hair. Starting from the back, slide in the crochet hook, attach the hair by the string in the middle, and then while holding one end of the hair, I'm going to pull through the other side of the crochet hair. That is quite literally it. You want to make sure the string is in the middle, with the string being the part closest to the scalp. And I just kept adding pieces, working my way up, making sure to spread them out so I got good coverage. The good thing about this hair is the texture makes it really easy to cover up any gaps, so you really don't have to pack this in. Here's the point where I had one bundle installed, and from the density I could tell that 2 bundles was going to give me the look I wanted. So I continued till I got to the top. And then all across this braid, I put the crochet like this. This band of crochet is going to help with the blend. So I always like doing this band going across. Took me about 30 minutes to put in the 2 bundles, which is like the fastest install ever. Now I can go ahead and take down the hair in the front. And y'all, when I took this out, I was like, okay. I was loving how it just all looked like it could be my real hair. And you can stop right here if you want to and rock a fluffy fro look. Like, y'all, I can't tell you enough how excited I was at how everything was turning out. But I decided to go a step further and bring back in some of the curl definition that kind of got lost when I installed the hair. So I took big chunks of hair. I'm going to spray it so it's really saturated with water. Smooth that through and then add some gel. And I'm especially concentrating this on the ends because that's where I want the most defining. Then split it in half and twist all the way down. And I rolled the ends with a perm rod. I did 9 chunky twists total, and after that I took some edge control and put a thin layer around my front hairline and brushed it smooth. Then taking a scarf and tying down my edges so they set flat, and I let my hair air dry. Now this right here, it was only about 3 hours later, so my hair is still damp, but I was kind of on a time crunch and I had to take this down before school pickup, so I had to work with it. But I removed all of the rods and then I just gently pulled each twist apart, separating until I get the volume that I want. And y'all can see how doing those rodded twists help to tame this hair. It brung out more of that curl pattern and it lessened the frizziness. So yeah, I went through and fluffed and teased. And even though I did not loop the crochet pieces in, because the extensions are highly textured, it helps them to stay put and not slip out on their own. I just handled them gently and I didn't have any issues with slippage. And y'all see my real hair with these extensions is so seamless. It flows so easily and with no heat. I didn't have to use any heat to blend. This hair feels so juicy and soft, and with the way it's connected to my hair, absolutely zero tension or discomfort. I only used a tiny bit of leave out, and even still it's so versatile. I can pull the hair up and do a really playful look. I can take it down and do a middle part, or I can get rid of the part altogether and do a side swept type of deal. I truly don't know how crochet could get any easier than this. Quick to put in and even quicker to remove. When you're ready to move on to your next style, all you got to do is feel and find the string and then gently pull to slide each piece from under your hair. Or another option, you can simply undo the cornrows and the crochet hair releases automatically. No tangling, no frustration, no struggling with crochet removal, and best of all, no damage. Now to maintain this hair at night, I take large chunks again and I lightly spray with water, then twist and rod the ends and put on a bonnet. I don't add any more gel unless I feel like a section that is particularly frizzy needs it. In the morning, I remove the rods and the twists and then fluff, and that's it. Also, I did not cut any length, so when I go to reinstall this hair, I don't have to worry about what piece goes where, so that's great. But yeah, y'all let me know what you think of this do. Would you try this no loop method yourself? Link to the hair is in the description box below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.